Can you get out? Most drivers think they can. But if your Tesla loses power, that button won't work. And that's where people get stuck. In an emergency, seconds matter. This is how you get out. Model 3, pre-Highland. Front lever opens the door. Rear has no manual release. Climb to the front. Newer Model 3 Highland. Front lever works. Rear release is hidden under trim. Model Y. Front lever works. Rear release is under the window switch, hidden behind trim, near the speaker. You may need a small tool. Most won't have one. Model S. Front lever works. Rear release cables are under the carpet, below the rear seats. Pull toward the center. Model X. Front doors open as usual. Rear Falcon doors are different. Remove the speaker grill. Pull the cable down, then toward the front. Lift the door manually. Cybertruck. Front lever works. Rear release is low and hidden. Remove the pocket liner. Pull the cable forward. Push the door open. Do not assume it's obvious. Do not assume you'll find it fast. Rear passengers are most at risk. They are never shown. Download the free safety card. Keep this in your car. Know exactly where it is. Practice before you need it, because when it matters, there's no time to figure it out.